everyone. In this video, I will guide you how you can pay with JazzCash or Easypaisa on Temu app. Now, if you want to buy something from a Temu app, you have to pay in advance by any card. You can use Easypaisa, you can use JazzCash, or even you can use your credit or debit card. So in order to pay with JazzCash or Easypaisa, just select any product and go to your cart. Here let's just, I have selected this product. I will click on this and I will click on this one, go to cart. Now I will click on purchase or checkout, and here you can see in a payment methods there are multiple options. The first one is add a new card. Here you can add your Easypaisa, JazzCash or your bank card. The second one is separate JazzCash option. So if you want to pay with JazzCash, you will click on this JazzCash, just enter your number and just click on submit order, and your payment will be cut from your JazzCash account. Now if you want to pay with Easypaisa, you have to click on this add a new card, and here you will write your Easypaisa card number, expiry date, CVV code, and click on add your card, and then you can pay with your Easypaisa card also. So this is the way how you can pay on a Temu with your cards.